Here's our Math 1050 Chapter 6 worksheet question number 3. We're using the matrices A and B to compute B times A minus 5 times the identity 2 by 2 matrix plus B squared, so B times B. Alright, remember when we multiply matrices together, we do rows times columns, we do corresponding numbers, and we add them together. So negative 1 times 1 times negative 1, sorry, plus 2 times 3. So that would be negative 1 plus 6, which is 5. So that would give us 5 in that top corner. Then I'm going to multiply this column, so that would be 0, and 2 times 5 is 10. Then I'll multiply this row with the first column, so negative 7 and negative 3 gives me a negative 10. And then last we have this column, so 7 times 0 is 0, negative 1 and 5, so that gives us a negative 5. Alright, then for this one we just distribute it through everything. So we're going to have negative 5, 0, 0, negative 5. And since I took the negative through, I'm just going to make that a plus, because it's kind of like I was considering that this was adding and that was a scalar of a negative 5. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, and then last we are multiplying this. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 7 is 14, so 1 plus 14 is 15. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times negative 1 is 0. 7 times 1 is 7, negative 1 times 7 is negative 7, so that would be 0. And then 7 times 2 is 14, and negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1, so 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, combining things together, we have a 5 plus a negative 5, so that's 0. And then we add 15 to 0, so we get 15. Then we have 10 plus 0 plus 0, so that's a 10. And then we have negative 10 plus 0 plus 0, so that's a negative 10. And then we have negative 5 plus negative 5, which is negative 10. Add 15, and we have positive 5. So that would be the resulting answer from these operations with our matrices, multiplying and adding and multiplying by a scalar and all that stuff.